Days and a dozen towns ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. Don't know why you run, what you running to from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So walking in the rain, tumbling for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've held you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go. Never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead, another town that I'll go walking through. The rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. Soldier photographs to some old gray-bearded men sitting on a bench outside the general store. He says, yes, you were here, but his memory, it wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No, wait, the day before. So I finally caught a ride with a preacher man who asked, were you bound on such a cold, dark afternoon? As he drove home through the rain, as he listened, I explained, and he left me with a prayer I'd find you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, up ahead, another town that I'll go walking through. With the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain. In the cold Kentucky rain, 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 in the cold Kentucky rain.